waiting for this bad boy for a hot minute, so let's just get right into it. This is the Autolift3000. It came from the Czech Republic, and there's a little woman there that I've been talking back and forth with, and they decided to send it to me. So it's packed good. You can see the ends come. But I gotta tell you, the box, as you can see, is in pretty good shape. I had to use a utility cart, little hand truck to move it. It's about probably somewhere around 130 or so. So this is an unboxing of the Autolift3000. I have been waiting for this puppy for a hot minute. I first reached out to these guys a while back, but you know, this had to happen anyway. It went through the Czech, and then it went through, I think, 2 different places in Germany, ultimately to France, and then through the US, passing through customs, and you know, lots of beating around, lots of package, you know, lots of opportunity to give me some damage. But as I look at it, I gotta say, I'm extremely impressed with how nice this actually looks. I know I'm like yielding a weapon here, but it looks great. And as soon as you open the box, the first thing you see is just how nothing is damaged. They took the time to put the extra inserts of the cardboard around it. See these right here, stamped with Czech Republic or whatever. I'm not sure what that's about, but whatever. They have 2 end caps on here. They have real nice packaging all the way around it. So believe it or not, it got here in like extremely good condition. So as I open it up, I'm very impressed. One thing you're not seeing here is the instructions, because I had to take that out to read it. They sent a cool little swag bag. Swag, up in the US, we like our swag. This is like such a cool little, never gonna fit me, extra small, yeah, been a while. What you call a plus size model. What do we got in our swag bag here? I feel that's pretty cool. I kind of like they threw it in the Ziploc baggie. Kind of shows you that they're just normal people over there. Somebody actually took the time to do this, which you gotta appreciate. So what do we have here? We got one of those little foam pops. Oh, this is pretty interesting. So these right here are, I guess, biodegradable ink pens. The Autolift production. So that's kind of like paper stamp. If you look at the bottom, that's paper too. That's actually pretty cool. And of course, swag t-shirt. And looks like, if I had to guess, maybe a microfiber. I think you're trying to tell me they wanted me to keep this thing nice, so they're sending me a rag. Apparently, abused equipment. Got some news for you, Autolift. We're going to be abusing this, but we're going to keep it pretty though, because we have a nice little cloth you sent. So more than obvious right off the back is these look like little dollies to roll it around with on the ground, so you can like roll it upright, so you don't have to roll it flat. Man, these guys did a really good job of packing. Just trying to give y'all like a real life. Take a look at this. And let me kind of give you, I'm going to opinionate on the build quality, because accessories really tell you a whole lot about the quality of whatever you're buying. And I gotta say, how they pack it is an indication this thing must be really nice. All right, let's see here. Okay. Now, I'm kind of opinionated because I deal with a lot of hardcore equipment, so let's take a look at this. All right, steel feels pretty good. It's got some bumpers right here, which is nice little caps. The casters, seems like they got decent bearings. With little steel mounts. Nothing crazy here. I feel like you could get those replaced no problem if you needed to. Looks like it has, yeah, there we go. It's all nice and welded, so it's not like bolted on there. It's welded together, so that's good. And so I'm gonna say this is a little nicer than you would find made in China. This is a nice little welded dolly. I think it would hold the weight. And just to tell you, man, it feels pretty beefy. And of course we have a front and back. That's what they are. So let's move on. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and remove the cardboard just so we get a nice look at what we're dealing with here. That looked like a quality control that just fell. I know, ironically, I'm actually building the lift on yet another lift. And see, this right here isn't about needing just a lift, because I already have a lift. I have a hydraulic lift. Yeah, cool. I like that. I like that it's handwritten. Someone took the time to do this. And apparently they take a little bit of pride. And I can tell you right now that is not in Chinese. I already like that. Now, I'm going to guess that... I'm not going to guess anything. I'm just going to take a look. Okay, whatever's in this box is beefy. Kind of feels like it might be the skids. Yes, this is definitely the skids. That's good old steel right there. So we have steel, 100%. And let's take a look at this. All right. This right here is nice. And it is also welded. Okay, and then right here at the bottom of the structural reinforcement, nice little reinforcement there. Nice little welds. They got 6 welds on each side, plus the end caps. I'm feeling like this is a pretty nice little tray. And the rubber, which you can't show you mine, mine's forever years old, but I feel like that right there, I feel like that's gonna last. It just feels like quality. All right, moving on. So we know we have 2 of these. Should we follow the letters? Okay, let's follow the letters. We'll do B next. Okay, all this stuff has got some nice weight to it. I like it. Sounds like hardware. All right, let's see what we got in here. All right, so B, I can tell you right now, is hardware. It's going to be the casters. It looks like caster plates. That's pretty nice. That's like 1/4-inch steel. I like that. That means it can hold some weight. Looks like the same casters that are on the dollies. Okay. Please take the security pin out of the security tube before lowering the lift. Okay, so we have the tube, and it looks like... Let's see what actually comes in here. Okay. So they're going to give you 4 1/2-inch connectors, and apparently what they're designed to do, you can see, you can kind of see right there, they're designed to break off, so I would not recommend it, but they say don't use an impact gun. But if you did use an impact gun and you met any resistance, it would break right off. You see how it's designed. A normal one would be straight on to have the strength, but this is designed to break loose, which is pretty clever of them. So they give you 4, assuming that you're going to screw up and lose them or try to use an impact gun. So they're already being kind of forgiving, saying, hey, look, we'll send you a couple extras, but after that, you're on your own. Okay. I'm down with that. All right, so what else we got in here? All right, so this is the hangers. You can hang this on the wall, simple, no problem. 2 of those. And I feel like there's some hardware going on right here. Okay. Okay, this is going to be how you put the skids on. Looks simple enough. Looks like a couple washers, you know, 2, you know, then the pin's got 2 threaded sides to it. Oh, and they're locking. So that's cool. My guess is the way this feels, this will not be a problem. You know, I was kind of worried that, you know, I haven't seen this. I just like how cool it is, but after looking at it, I'm feeling really confident on its build quality. It seems really, really nice. Okay, so what package was that? Okay, that's in the B box. All right, let's find out. All right, got a little weight to it, but I mean, it's not crazy. All right, same tape. By the way, killer job packing this stuff. I mean, this is just nice. I think we kind of get used to the junk that comes out of Amazon, and we forget there's actually high quality stuff in the world. These right here definitely look like tracks to me. So these are going to be the tracks. If you want to, man, look at the quality of this thing. Looks like you just hook it. There's probably a hook down here somewhere. Throw the pin in it, and then the wheels will probably just ride up and in this. Nice. Let's just verify. Yep. So yeah, got a little stopper there. So my guess is you just sit it down and she just extends up and down on this. This is really cool because it allows you, this is why I really wanted this for. When I'm off, I mean, obviously I've got a shop, but when I'm not in this shop, dude, I am too old to climb under these cars. I just can't do it. I mean, I can, but I don't want to do it. And then on top of that, everybody and their brother wants this or that, and I'm not willing to clean my shop out, move whatever projects to bring it in. This is so convenient. This will work in the grass, on concrete, asphalt, because it gives you a nice flat surface. Big selling point, huge selling point, especially if you're a DIY guy or just a home, you like doing stuff yourself. That just opens every opportunity for every type of surface for you to work on. Amazing. All right, so that's what's in package C. All right, looks like I left these out. All right. Okay, let's find out what's in package D. By the way, this is going to be a playlist because, you know, guys, I am a YouTuber. You know, I'm kind of somebody. Didn't want to throw that out there or anything, but I forget how Will Ferrell says that I'm kind of somebody. Anyway, not really. I'm just a YouTube guy. But this is going to be part of a playlist, and I'm going to spend the whole year testing this thing out and attempting to put it through all of its paces because they sent it for me to check out. So if they're nice enough to send it to me to check out, I'm going to check it out. And it's such a convenient tool, I don't see myself having to fight myself to do it. Wow, these right here are really nice, man. They're padded on both sides, complete steel. You see that? They got two little bars going through the middle there. This right here is going to be spacers. I don't even got to look it up. This is a spacer. If you, you know, on a unibody car, it's got the little stamp on the bottom. You can just put that right under there. Up she goes. All right, so in D, we have our spacer. All right, well, what do we have in E? Looking for tape. Ah, we found it. Oh, nice. Support jack. Okay. This right here is a safety support jack. I seen this. I was curious about this. So let's talk about it. That right there, let's see how far she extends. Looks like it'll do pretty good. Don't want to scratch up my other new stuff here. What do we got going on here? Ah! Looks like they got a little zip tie to hold it in place, which is all right with me. Okay. All right, so box E is going to be your support jack. This is pretty cool. It looks like it completely adjusts. You know, it's got the, runs like a tripod. So this right here, number one, I don't know if you have huge honking jack stands like I do, but Jesus, they weigh a ton. This thing is super light, and looks like it's got some adjustments, so they must anticipate that this thing goes up pretty high. But for the folks out there that was just looking for an unboxing of this particular item, Autolift3000, this is it. This is what's in the box. This is how they send it. So what we can take away from this is they did a hell of a job. Super nice packaging. They took the time to pack it correctly. They did not chintz on packing material. They put the oversized cardboard buffers in there. They took the time to put the wood in it. The product got here in excellent condition. And then as you unpacked it and you see, they actually took the time to pack everything, and even personally had an inspection checkoff list, which I thought was great. And then on top of that, they took the time to put a swag box in here. So I'm gonna give it 2 thumbs up. On the unboxing of the Autolift3000, gets 2 thumbs up from the car man, baby. Now look, I gotta get y'all to subscribe. I gotta get you to share. I don't know how to, because I don't even like myself sometimes. But if you would, that would be great. And then we could torture other people by them watching my videos. See how that works? Meanwhile, stay tuned. We have the next segment of this, which is going to be assembling an Autolift3000. Peace out. We'll see you on the next ride. Okay, so the next part of this, if you guys are tuning in, you probably want to know how to assemble your Autolift3000. These kind folks were great. They sent it to us. It's in excellent condition. We've already reviewed the unboxing. Gave them 2 thumbs up. Excellent across